gentlemen.
Wow, it's too far away.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the day has finally come. You've been asking, you've been begging to find out how we do this do. The Margie Mays pony, how we do it, how we get it, how we achieve it, how we breathe it. Without further ado, I'm not gonna waste any time. Follow me to my bathroom, woohoo! All right, team, this is it. This is the video. I just filmed and posted the video of how I curl my hair, like you always see it, with my handy dandy wand, which is still on, by the way, because for this video, I'm gonna show you how I do the MMP, the Margie Mays ponytail. We get this question in the inbox all the time. By we, I mean me and myself and I. So here we go. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So listen, you can do this with straight hair, you can do this with any hair. I ideally prefer it with my curled hair. So watch that video linked below / on my page about how I curl my hair. So that's kind of the starting point. Bang, boom. Let's just freaking get into this. So, something you'd need. Ding, 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 ding. Scrunchie. I have a drawer full of them, literally 100,000. All right, step 1. We're gonna pull it back. Honestly, I've never taught anyone how to do this, but I'll show you how I do it. All right, pull it back just like that. I kind of like that it isn't like just like that. Some days I do it just like that, but what I really like is that it's parted, basically in the middle, and I pull it back just like this. So there's a bit of that part insinuated, which makes things, I just personally like it, and it's not gonna stay perfect. Sometimes I get a little shark fin. Okay, listen, pulled it back, then we pull the little pieces in front of the ears just because I feel like it's nice. Then, obviously, here we go. We have to pull the front chunks. Pull it down as much as you want, okay? On each side. Lately, I've needed to like pull more than usual because as I go up more, the pieces get longer, and I wanna make sure when I curl these pieces that they're long enough, okay? Now, yeah, this one's easier. Pull on this side, bang, boom, look. We are basically already done, but now we have the hair looking like this. Put scrunchie. I like to wrap it tight. Yes, my head is half the time numb, but I've gotten used to it. Listen, here we go. Pull it through. Now, we pull it up like that. Some days if I really want to pull these out, but I don't really do that. It's honestly not typical. Ponytail. Now, we've got that. Now what I'm gonna do, all I gotta do is just finalize these pieces. Taking my RUSK curler, I'm gonna try to link this, but I bought this years ago, but I'll find one. Okay, now this side already looks pretty good, but we're just gonna go, what I like to do is reinforce the curls in the front, because over the course, and then I pull them out, but they're gonna be really tight at first, but over the course of the day, they fall, and they fall perfectly. But look, here. 1. See, I can like pull it down, it's looking good. Okay, 1. And then here we go, grab this whole chunk. This is what's quite a big chunk right here. I like to make sure I have pieces that fall pretty far down, like at least to my chin. Okay, now we flip it, we pull, we wrap around, and then we instead of being like this, we pull it in like this, okay? I love, it creates like a final wave near the top, and I just like the look of it. Pull it down, okay. See how it did that little bang thing? It's all in that. You go down and then, okay? Rewatch it if you need that. This is done. This can be off. If it wasn't most recently curled, sometimes I curl the pieces, but I don't typically do that because I'll just have curled it. Bang, boom, legit firepower. This is the hair. So review. Have your hair curled, pull it back like this, pull down your little side pieces, pull down your front pieces, curl the front pieces, give them a little love so they stay. Bounce it up and down. And we literally did it. We did the hair, the pony. Boys and girls, you see that? You see that? I didn't mean to say that word, but you see it? Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I don't know what it is, but when I put my hair up, I think it's really fun to play it with like a big earring. Chunky hoop. We freaking did it. You got the skinny on it, okay. I love you. That is the freaking secret sauce here. I gave you the secret sauce here. I love you. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want. I'm thirsty. I just choked. I love you, bye. I just peed my pants.